No the deck one, nigga do, she nay. So November 14th. So everybody's familiar with do used for what? Do used to listeni. Do used to listeni.
It's making you upset.
So do used to listeni, what happened to you? So za listeni. Talking to you directly. I used to listen to you. So like you, when you come in wearing your knee brace, I'm asking you, do I used to listen? What happened? What happened to you? So then, I'm just using Gosh Galon right here just for reference. So Gosh Galon. Chair. Agilosh. So that means upright position, I fail. So in your upright position, gosh, below, agilosh. So I could take it or understand it like either you sitting in a chair or you might have been standing on the chair. And on there, you might have probably standing on it. Yeah. Those to listen to me, what happened to you? Gosh, agilosh. Chair I fell off of. So that's upright position. Now we're going to third. Do used to listen to me. What happened to him or her? So that gosh kilo, you could use anything for there. Ganishi, bed, galela, vehicle. Gosh, kilo, table. So those to listen to me. What happened to him or her? Gosh, kilo, julo, he or she fell off the chair. So here again, any inanimate object that you could stand on, sit on, upright position, you could place in there. So of course this is going to be past tense. So it could have happened yesterday, it could have happened earlier today, a few minutes ago, or it could even happen over the weekend and then the following work day. About being on crutches, those to lose the name, but you don't want to ask him or her directly. You kind of